Hi there, morning. I'm Ken, your former social media marketer, now turned gig worker, DoorDash driver, and all that. About to do one of the necessary things that I have to do now is car maintenance, and get oil changed, and make sure she's in good shape. Unfortunately, the downside of gig work and DoorDashing and all that is the wear and tear on the car. So you just gotta make sure it's in the more frequent, oil changes and all that, and maintenance stuff. But just make sure she's in good working order for work.